Hey everybody, it's Eric with Vic Baggers, vicbaggers.com, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a 2018 Chieftain that was brought to us by Brent from Indianapolis. Brent had brought us the bike and just wanted something to make it stand out. Brent he had brought his wife with him, and his wife really liked the bike, but she said it just didn't have the attitude that it deserved, and so we wanted to do something special with the bike, and Brent had decided on one of our 18-inch fat tire front ends. So we'll kind of move to the front end here. We did our fat front fender, one of our fat 18-inch wheel kits on here, 5.5 with a 180 tire. We did a little extra, and we put the Indian head on the front of the fender, bringing a little bit of nostalgic look to a new trend. So moving back a little bit, we got our Venom Plenum for 111 cubic inch models. Add some more airflow to this. We also did a remote Maximus tune with 801 motor works. Turned out real well. The bike runs exceptional. You can see our derby cover there on the primary that we have. That's our inner derby cover. We also have one on the cam side that matches. Really a nice look with the Indian head on there, bringing it all together. The one thing that you'll notice on this bike is the stance of the motorcycle. This bike is equipped with front and rear air ride, as well as a Vic Baggers center stand. So we manufacture those components in-house. Really appreciate Brent bringing us the bike. It was great to meet him and his wife. Anxious to see the results. I'm sure he is. So we're going to deliver this bike tomorrow, and anxious to see what his wife has to say as if we have given this bike the attitude that it does deserve, and we think that we've helped Brent accomplish that. I think the bike turned out really well. We'd like to do the same for you. We'd like the opportunity to earn your business and help you build your dream bike. You can contact us through our website at vicbaggers.com. Melanie's email is sales@vicbaggers.com. Our phone number is 812-782-3476. And again, we would appreciate the opportunity to earn your business and help you build the bike of your dreams. Give us a shout. Thanks.